What's going on, guys? It's your boy Blake back with another banger, and today we are doing a crazy unboxing. This is probably $40,000 to $50,000 worth of inventory that I am basically using for my selling page, bookbsneak shop. We had a Hypebeast mystery box drop, a $500 Hypebeast mystery box drop last week, where basically I created my own $500 boxes. I made 25 of them, and I basically sold them to you guys or whoever was on my selling page. It was a really cool experience. Some of this stuff, not all of it, but some of this stuff will be going into the boxes, as well as some of this stuff I'm just stocking up because I am starting to collect a lot of inventory for myself. All right, guys, quick announcement. So if you weren't aware, I dropped $500 Hypebeast mystery boxes. Were basically from my bookbsneak shop Instagram page. I sold them to you guys. So now the next drop is a $250 mystery box. They're gonna be very limited, probably 50 of them, and I'm gonna sell $250 mystery boxes. And they're gonna include Off-White, Travis Scott merch, and a bunch of other dope stuff. So the date will be on the screen of when they're releasing, and I hope you guys cop one if you really want one, because they're gonna sell out. So with all that being said, we're gonna get into this unboxing. Crazy, crazy stuff, like insane. So I can't wait to get into this. This is gonna be dope. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I managed to get all this stuff into the room. And these are from different people, so I'm gonna have to try to keep this very organized when we do this unboxing. So this is the best thing I could find from the kitchen. This is just a kitchen knife, because we're about to butcher this unboxing. So, and a lot of sales that I do on my account, basically I just have people do gifted upon arrival. So they'll put a little letter in the box, and then I basically check the item, which I'll do after, and then I send them the money once I have the product, so there's no scamming of any sort. And I'm gonna try to go through this fast because there's so much. There aren't that many Yeezys in here, but this happens to be one of them. This is basically just a regular black 350, and I bought these off one of you guys. And here's another thing, just a pair of blushes, Yeezy blushes. So, alright, so yeah, he left the invoice, basically that's what we'll call it. And this is just full of a bunch of Astroworld and Highest in the Room merch. Hoodies and t-shirts, a bunch of random stuff, which is really cool. Gucci. Alright, so basically, this is another random thing I copped off one of you guys. These Gucci shoes, kind of interesting. They're like a pair of slip-ons. They're cool. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I can see it without even opening the box. I see a little color. A lot of y'all may be like, what the hell are you doing? This is a box full of Supreme Oreos. 150 of them to be exact. But yeah, I basically bought 150 of these little guys right here. If you see, to throw in the mystery boxes as well as just munch on when I'm bored. This package right here is from my boy, Ethan at Drop Cop. Woo! Some heat in here for sure. Pair size 12 MCAs, no box. He just put it in this bait bag, if you guys were wondering. Pirate Blacks seem like they're worn once. These are the Alien 380s. And I think these are Travis 4s. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Here's the other one from my boy, Ethan. This is a pair of turtle doves. I already know. I can tell because it's a V1 box. Boom. Turtle doves, super, super clean, worn a couple times. Deadstock Revenge Storms with no box. The reflective pair, you can tell. They're like a size 12. These are super dope. Squiggly line crew neck, Off-White. You know the vibes. This is a CDG Supreme box logo hoodie right here. You guys know what that is. Pretty fire. It's pretty fire. Goes for like 200 bucks too, which is dope. So this is another Off-White hoodie, just that on the back. Simple on the front. We got a Bape ski jacket. I don't want to undo all this stuff, it's a lot of work. And then one thing that I'm gonna really be interested to see how much you guys want to pay for, because I paid kind of high. We got all these individual Off-White masks. How dope are these? Paid high for these, so I don't know if you guys want these, but so fire. Blue bandana box logo t-shirt. Couple little things, but Bape tee, college tee. Little Gucci ring. Bust down. No, not bust down. It's just a little Gucci ghost ring. But check this out. This is like LV chain. You guys can see that. It's like a Virgil one. I'll unbox it later on in another great pieces. And boom, box logo hoodie. Don't really like this color, so it's gonna go in a box for show. So we got 2 more boxes, both from my boy Leeson Rabot. Sorry, bro. Got a bunch of random stuff in here. Leeson, thanks for the drip. This is kind of dope, but this looks like it would fit a girl, to be honest. This is like, wow, it's pretty dope. This is kind of dope, but this is gonna fit like a tank top on me. This is dope. And then this Givenchy pair of shorts. Alright, so we got this last box right here. This box is literally falling apart. What's that knife? Alrighty. Woo! Thanks, bro. You literally just dumped all this in here like a trash can. Alright, we do have a lot of special items in here though. My boy hooked me up with this Leeson Chevrolet hat. Just rock it like this for right now. But we got a lot of stuff in here. Crew neck. Off-white crew neck. Another one. This one's pretty dope. This one's sick. Yes, sir. This one's inside out. That's how the design is. So much off-white in here. Whew. This one's brand new. Puma Rude collab? Yeah, brand new. It's actually a dope tee. Supreme gray crew neck. Nothing too crazy. Calabasas sweats. Blank simple pair right here. Some St. Pablo merch. And then just some random Supreme tees, to be honest. This guy right here. Another Supreme tee. Vilon Forgiato tee. Supreme North Face hoodie. And the last tee right here is a Givenchy shark tee. This used to be really popular. This is dope. Alright, so that's honestly everything. Please, 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 if you guys haven't already, go follow my selling account, BSneak Shop, because I'm going to be dropping $250 boxes for you guys. Basically hyped mystery boxes that I make and sell to you guys. A ton of dope stuff, as you can see. Please make sure to subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, blakelinder. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you're all staying safe during COVID-19, and we're out of here.